pretty simple when you look at it, to see whether you are in alignment with your desire or not, to see if you're allowing it or not, to see if you are flowing with it or opposing it. Anytime you feel as though you are going upstream, pushing against the flow of that which you desire, you are in opposition to it. Anytime you feel distance or resistance with your children, your spouse, partner, or mate, you are opposing relationship. You're opposing connection. Anytime you feel in opposition to your job, you are opposing its success, its highest materialization. You don't want to go. You don't like the people. You don't like the experience. You don't like the responsibility, where you are opposing that which is present and you are opposing that which you desire.